Welcome back to Make Money Molly. Here is where you should click on Upload. Simply open a file from your computer and benefit from it. If you're looking for a simple way to generate money online, look no further. If that's the case, this is the video for you. I'll show you how to do it step by step. How to put this up for yourself, and how to keep an eye on it. So now that I've shown you everything, let's get started on this strategy. Freepladownloads.com is the first website we'll be using to generate money online today. This website was recently shown to me, but I'd like you to keep an eye on things, because this is a one-of-a-kind tactic. I've never mentioned it before, but there is a website dedicated to it. I've never showed you anything like what I'm about to show you later in the film. But first and foremost, we'll be able to earn a lot of money passively. For those of you who are unfamiliar with the initial platform, click here. This is a place where you may search for ebooks. Private label rights are represented by the fact that you can use it freely. So you may practically download any of these ebooks and do anything you want with them. You can pretend to be the author and edit and change anything you like. If you wish to, you can sell them and profit from them, and so on. With these ebooks, you can do almost anything. This is now on the left-hand side. You'll see that we have ebooks in a variety of topics. You have an affiliate marketing company, an email marketing company, a finance company, a health company, and so on. But of all of them, we'll want to concentrate on the Make Money Online area, so either type in Earn Money Online in the search field here, or simply select the business or whatever topic you're interested in. In either case, you want something relevant to making money online. Simply choose one of these ebooks from there. That you can find, for example, this one called Make Money Online Positive Action Plan, which you can download. All I have to do now is scroll down a little more and I'll see the download button. All I have to do now is click on it to download the ebook to my computer for free. You wish to move your ebook to the next platform. We'll be using it today, and it's none other than Digistore24.com, which I'm sure some of you have heard of. This is an affiliate marketplace, for those who are unaware, where you may locate things, most of which are digital, that you can advertise as an affiliate and get paid anytime someone buys them. When the person you suggested buys something, it's quite similar to ClickBank, but with one key distinction. In most cases, it will work in your nation. ClickBank isn't as good as it used to be, because it isn't available in every country, and that is the reason. Why don't you want to utilize it and instead use Digistore24? You can start marketing anything now, but you must first establish an account by clicking on Register in the upper right corner. Because we have so much to talk about today, I'm not going to walk you through the sign-up process because it's all quite basic and I already know how to do it. You'll be able to handle it. With that said, I'll proceed to log into my account. As a result, I'll be able to show you what needs to be done next. So, I've just completed the very first task you requested. When you do the same thing, click on the Affiliate Marketplace here and then pick All Offerings. This will take you directly to the page I'm on right now, and it's right here on this website. As you can see on the left, this is where you will be able to find things to advertise as an affiliate. There are plenty of niches to choose from. However, because we want to concentrate on the Make Money Online area, you should choose Internet Marketing and e-business. On the following page, you'll notice that there are now little over 20 goods. So it's not a huge lot, but the digestive system is getting bigger by the day. This number will almost certainly rise, and 20 things should be more than enough for you to locate something worthwhile to promote. When choosing a product, there are two factors to keep in mind. For starters, it is really popular, as seen by the fact that it is displayed right here, and secondly, how much it pays, as well as the commissions, are displayed right here. You don't want to choose things that are extremely popular. However, they will not pay you even half decently, and you do not want items that pay well. But isn't this product called Tube Mastery and Monetization popular here? As far as we can tell, by Matt Parr is great in both respects. In terms of popularity, it has nearly 5 stars. This isn't surprising, given that this is a YouTube course, and many people desire to make money on YouTube these days, as evidenced by the fact that we can see on the right that we would be rewarded quite well. This offer includes 50 commissions, and on average, we will earn roughly $170 per sale. This is when you start to think about how much money you'll make if 100 people buy. This has already been made by 17,000 people, and I'll show you a traffic source. You'll be able to easily locate hundreds of thousands of people there, so keep an eye on it anyway. When you locate a decent product to promote, all you have to do is click on Promote. Now, in order to be able to get the affiliate link, you'll need to shorten it using a website called bit.ly.com. You don't have to do this, as I've often stated. However, I strongly advise you to do so because the affiliate link begins with Digistore 24 and is so obvious. Because you're promoting anything, you're probably not going to get as many clicks on your link as a result of shortening it. If you want to shorten the URL, just scroll down a little and paste it in here before pressing the shorten option on the right. Whether or not your affiliate link has been shortened, you'll want to go to the next platform, pdf2docx.com. As the name implies, this program will allow you to convert PDF files to docx files and vice versa. And as some of you may know, you should be aware that the ebook we downloaded earlier is a PDF file. We can't change it, so we'll convert it to a Documents X file first. To convert the file, simply click on Upload Files here and select the file you want to convert. After that, you'll only have to wait a few seconds until you can see. The download button is right here, and you may click it as you can see. This will convert the file to the docx format, which is exactly what you want. What we want, and you want to open it right now. With the actual ebook, you'll want to include something from both sides. Like this, both in the start and near the end of the ebook. This is the best way to make money online and the #1 way to make money online. This is how I generate money online by doing things like that and the next thing. To that, you'll want to provide your affiliate link, which you're currently handing out. As you may know, this booklet allows us to both help individuals generate money online for free. This booklet includes ideas and tactics for people who want to make money online, and we will be able to make money as well because the #1 way to generate money online is every time someone sees something like this. In the event that they make a purchase, they will want to click on this link. You'll make over $100 right away, but you'll have to wait a while before you can distribute this ebook. After you've edited it and added the affiliate links, you'll want to convert it back to a PDF file. It's quite simple. Simply return to this website and click docx to PDF once more. Select Upload Files from the drop-down menu. Open the docx file that has been altered and then download it once it has been converted. Do you want to go to the last platform now? Today, we'll be using a site called free-ebooks.net, which I stated at the opening of this article. You may read a variety of free ebooks on the internet. But as you can see, the nicest aspect about this site, and the reason we want to use it in particular, is that it receives roughly 1 million views every month. This is absurd since it means that an ebook published here will almost certainly receive thousands of hits, and you only need a few dozen people to buy it. What you're advertising has the potential to make thousands of dollars on autopilot. As a result, this has a huge potential to make you a lot of money, and it can do it passively as well. You can, however, publish your ebook. Do you want to make an account by clicking here and signing up for free? This is all you need to do to publish once you've created and logged into your account. Your ebook will be the first to be seen by millions of people. If you liked the video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips to make money, Molly.